How many different real numbers x satisfy the equation? The quantity x squared minus 5, all squared, equals 16? A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 4. Or E. 8. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The left side is something squared, and it equals 16. So we take the square root of both sides. That gives x squared minus 5 equals plus or minus 4. This splits into two cases. Case 1. X squared minus 5 equals 4. Add 5 to both sides to get x squared equals 9. So x equals 3, or x equals negative 3. That is two solutions. Case 2. X squared minus 5 equals negative 4. Add 5 to both sides to get x squared equals 1. So x equals 1, or x equals negative 1. That is two more solutions. Putting the cases together, we have four distinct real solutions. X equals 3, negative 3, 1, and negative 1. So four different real numbers satisfy the equation. The answer is 4. Choice D.